She's here. Okay. I have been trying to get my hands on this for a long time now, and every time it's sold out and it just arrived. So let's unbox it together. Let's get into this girly right here. Yes! OMG. And she is a beauty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. I am obsessed with the color. Yes. She is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I hope the color is showing on correctly because she's beautiful. And I had the option between this one or the other pink, which are available right now. And I was like, you know what, let me go with this one because this one is just, I don't know, it's just something beautiful about the pink. I'm obsessed. I also got the little matching hat. So cute. And then I got this headband. And I'm gonna go try this on.